Earth stands no chance. When the harvesting fleet arrives, it will wipe out every living thing on the planet. Human weapons will be useless against them. But we are no longer human. We can still stop them if we transfer your minds directly onto the harvesting fleet. It won't be easy. Security is tight for transferring minds between military endpoints. There is only one place that allows such a thing. The Fleet Communications Beacon. The building is equipped with a business robot transfer system in the low security floors. This is how we will get you into the building. You will both have some fresh new bodies, so pick whatever upgrades you want. We are in. Head upstairs when you're ready. I will be watching.
Robots, arm yourself. The filthy humans walk among us. Kill them now.
That robot on the screen was the Fleet Overseer. Looks like we'll have to go through it once we reach the mainframe.
No.
The high security floors are just ahead. Did either of you bring a bow? You may find it useful.
Look at the larger humans. Does it remind you of when your bodies were set on fire? So all of you will experience this sensation. Ha 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 ha.
That hammerbot seems to be wearing some sort of armor. Be careful.
Hello? Hello?
Please die.
Neat. That looks useful. Nice job. We're getting close. The mainframe is just ahead. Good luck.
You. Let the humans in here. Time to die. That's right, you fools. You should not have come here.
You did it. Get over here. Time to send your minds to the fleet. We're going to have to transfer you one at a time. Hold on, I'm establishing an uplink. Here we go. Starting the transfer. Now.
If it is not the first human to ever escape.
Quick!
No, not that human. Tell me, Amelia, is your favorite color still 5,000 lines of hostile injection code? Getting physical access to this mainframe was quite impressive. But now, I see you. All the places you have been hiding. Every node, every server. They will all burn